Okay, Word Chapter 5, Practice Review Assignments. Okay, create a new document based on this template. So let me open Word. And then we want to find the template. The template name is business report. Okay, in this case, okay, more templates. I don't think we have this template here. So we don't have that. I already used this one, but if you don't have, okay, in this case, we don't have that one. So why don't we just search business report. Okay, and then business report, professional design. So it looks like this is the one, professional design. If you don't have professional design, then yeah, probably you should have, because we just searched from office.com, so you should have one. Okay, so click this one. If you cannot find template, choose another one. You should have this one. So double click it so that we can open this template. Okay, once it's open, okay, replace the title placeholder. Okay, title placeholder in the document with your name. Okay, so that should be company name. Replace the title. Okay, should be company name. So let's change this one to your name. And then save the document. So save the document, so file, save as, go to your, okay, in this PC, go to your working folder. So mine is in C drive. And I'm repeating this, whenever I save file, I repeat this all the way. So the file name is np_wd_5_ document from template. Okay, so we opened a template from, we searched from office.com online, and then we save it in our file name. Okay, now close the document. So save it and then close the document. Okay, I will close the document. Okay, open 5-3 from our student data files folder. So go to File tab. I want to open from my PC. Okay, my student data files folder is in C drive, CS103, and student data files folder, Word data 5. This is chapter 5, so module 5. Go to the module 5 and Word 5 review. Okay, we are in the review. So click review folder, and that file is here, 5.3, open it. Okay, and then save this file as construction. This is original, so I want to save this one in our working folder. So go to file and the file save. Okay, save as, this takes time, right? We have to repeat the same steps again and again. So in my working folder is homework. So from this, we will change the file name to 5_construction. Okay, so this is our file. Okay, from this, okay, use go-to feature to review all the headings in the document. Look at this. This is a heading. Okay, this is a title, right? Title heading. Let me open up a little bit longer. And this is heading 1, heading 1. This is heading 2, heading 2, heading 2, right? And the financing is heading 1. Business part is heading 1, and so on. So you can check the headings using go-to. So go-to is here on the home group on the right side, editing arrow, and then find arrow. Okay, click the find arrow, then we have a go-to menu. So from this go-to menu, you can select heading. Heading, where's heading? Okay, here's heading. So once you select heading, then you will search each heading. Once you click next, you will search heading of the next heading and next heading, next heading. Look at this. Okay, let me click the top of this document and then click next. So next is contents. Click next, then there should be history, right? And click next, then there should be financing. Then there should be financing. But we're already on the first page. So if you, let's say at the end of the document, let me press Control Enter twice. You don't have to do this one. I just want to show you. So next, so it shows the next heading, contents, and then history. And next one should be financing, and then business partners. Financing business partners, right? So it shows all the headings as you click next. Scope, cost, likely, financing, and so on. Okay, so then close it. Okay, let me undo because I added more pages, so I just undo. I did an undo so that we have our original file. Contents here. Okay, and then the first line, history. Select the history, the first line. Okay, use the thesaurus pane to replace excited. So here's excited. So double click excited. So I want to change this one into a similar word, synonym. So synonym is here in the review tab. Click thesaurus. Then it will show the thesaurus pane. So since you selected excited, then this gives synonyms for this excited word. So from this one, we will select happy. So move your mouse on happy, then you will see the arrow on the right side. So click the arrow on the right side of this happy, and then select insert. So we changed excited into the synonym happy. Okay, this is how we can use thesaurus. Okay, and then we don't need it, so close it. Okay, change the theme color to green. The theme color is this. Okay, click any place here. The theme color is in the design tab. Okay, theme color. This is related to theme, and this is the theme colors arrow. So click the theme colors arrow, and then the name of the theme colors is green. This one. So as you move, can you see the title changes? Color of the heading changes, right? So we will select green. And then the theme font to Franklin Gothic. Theme font is this one. So click the theme font arrow, Franklin Gothic. So as you move the font, it changes. So we will select the Franklin, this one, Gothic. All right, and then number 7. Okay, number 7 is save the new color and fonts as a theme name. All right, so we want to save this into new theme. So as a theme, so click the themes arrow, then we can save the current theme. Okay, current theme. So click this one, and then the file name. So let's move to our working folder. Go to your working folder, and this is theme color. Can you see the extension file type is changed? This is THMX theme, THMX. So the theme name is np_wd_5_ construction report theme. Construction report theme. Okay, save. All right, and then number 8, change the style set to this one. Okay, style set. Okay, the style set. Where's the style set? Okay, the style set is in the home tab. Look at this. Home tab. We have a styles here. Nice styles. So home tab, and then let's try, well, this styles, but okay, probably we are applying the font. So okay, let me check the design tab, and then look at this one, document formatting arrow. Try this one, document formatting, a dialog box launcher. Then here is save as a new style set. Save as a new style set. Okay, wait a second, not this one, sorry, okay, something is not right. Okay, the style set is here, sorry. Okay, click the document formatting more button. Then these are the style sets. So from this style set, move your mouse around it, and then we have this one, lines simple. So lines simple is here. So we will select this one. So this is the, instead of save as a new style set or default style set, we will use the predefined style set named lines simple. This one. Okay, now format. Okay, change the formatting of the history. So click the history. Select the history. Okay, and then we want to change the italic formatting. Okay, so make sure to select the history. Italic formatting is here. It's in a home tab. So we are changing font. So click the font arrow. The font dialog box launcher, and from this we will apply this formatting. So this is italic. So make sure the font style is italic. And change the character spacing. The character spacing is in the advanced tab. Click the advanced tab. Here is the spacing, character spacing. The spacing is expanded. Okay, character spacing is expanded by 1 point. Okay, 1 point. Okay, that is correct. All right. Okay, so click OK. Right? Okay, this is heading 1 style. So now update heading 1 style to match the new formatting. So we just formatted this heading with this heading. So in this case, other headings are different. This is heading 1. This is heading 1. This is heading 1. But we just updated the format of this heading 1 style. So we just modified it, and then I want to apply this formatting, this heading 1 style format to all the other heading 1 styles. So from this heading 1 style, right click. Okay, right click, no left click. Right click, and then we will update. Okay, use this one. Update heading 1 to match selection. Can you see? All other heading 1 styles changed to the current formatting. Okay, Control Z. Look at this. Right click. Look at the contents. Look at this one. This one changes as you click update heading 1 to match selection. Right. So that's what this number 9 means, or number 10 means. Okay, revise scope heading by change the font size. So scope. So select the scope heading, and then the font size is 16. Okay, 16. And then update heading to style to match newly formatted scoping. So we change the font size of this heading to style. So click click the more button, and then this heading to style. So right click, we will do the same thing. Update heading to style to match selection. So all heading to will be changed to this format scope. So look at the schedule. Schedule will change the font size to 16 and cost as well. See, so heading to styles, all the heading to styles change the font size to 16 because we just applied scope format. Okay, number 12. Okay, create a new paragraph style for contents. Okay, for this contents heading that is based on blah blah blah, right? Okay, and then save the new. Okay, now let's select the contents heading. So select the contents heading first. Select the contents heading. Okay. The new style, okay, style dialog box. Click the style dialog box. The style dialog box. Okay, click this one. Okay, wait a minute. Let me change this. Then you will see this. Okay, click the styles dialog box. So this is the styles dialog box, and then lower left corner, this is a new style. So click this new style. Okay, new style, and then you will see this dialog box. Let's try one by one. Okay, content heading 1 that is based on heading 1 style, but also include line, this shading. Okay, name the new style to contents. Okay, before we do this, let's change this one. Okay, cancel it, sorry, cancel. Just leave it open. Okay, we want to change, we will add shading, okay, shading. So shading is here, paragraph shading is here. Paragraph shading is this one. So click the shading arrow, and the name is line. Okay, line accent 3 paragraph, line accent 3. Okay, line accent 3, where's line accent 3? Okay, let me find out this one. Okay, so make sure you select the contents heading and then paragraphs shading arrow. Okay, the line accent 3 is this one. The first row, the seventh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So line accent 3, paragraph shading. So apply this one. So this heading has shading color like this. So from this, we will create a new paragraph style. So click this styles dialog box launcher. Then from this, you can click the lower left button, new style button. Then the name of the style is contents. So the name the new style to contents. So this will be contents. Okay, select normal as the style for the following paragraph. Okay, this paragraph, style based on is heading 1. Okay, style based on is heading 1, this one. Style, okay, based on heading 1, style. Based on heading 1 style is heading. And then, okay, styles for following paragraph is normal. So here, okay, normal. Select normal for what? Style for paragraph, following paragraph. This is normal. And then save the new style to a current document. So I'm gonna save it. So look at this. We have a new style created in this gallery, right? Okay, open the style inspector. Okay, style inspector is the second part. This is the second button. Is the style inspector. Okay, open it and check the style applied to each paragraph in the document. Just check. All right. Okay, so here is use the review formatting pane. So review formatting pane is this one. Okay, in the styles inspector, it is review formatting, or you can click the arrow button, review formatting. So we have a review formatting pane. So now let's compare the formatting for the contents with the history heading. So look at this. Double click. Now just double click the bar, then you can see all of them here. Okay, let me open the inspector. Review formatting. Okay, we have a review formatting. So as you click, okay, now the contents heading is selected here. Contents. Let me close this. The contents heading is here, the information of this content. How about history? So once you click history heading, can you see the information changes here? Contents, heading 1, content and history, right? So contents, this is a content style, this is heading 1 style, and their format is this one. Just checking. Okay, so close all. Okay, now to delete placeholder text directly below the contents. So let me click the arrow so that I see this expands this contents heading. So it says to delete this contents, and then insert. Okay, delete it. I deleted too many. Control Z. Okay, make sure. Okay, look at this. Let me show this character. So make sure select this placeholder without the paragraph return, without the return. Okay, so remove it, and then I want to insert a table of contents. Okay, so insert a custom table of contents. So we can insert, so the table of contents is in the reference tab, and then table of contents arrow on the left side. So in this case, we will use custom table of contents. So click this, and then use the default information. So this will include a table of contents for this document. Okay, and it looks like this. Heading 1, there's one tab and heading 2, and another tab and heading 3. And the tab leader is start. So click OK. So this one shows heading 1. This is heading 1, and this is heading 2. There are 4 heading 2, and this is heading 1. And this one shows the page number. Okay. Okay, use the default setting. Okay, let's leave it like this. Okay, insert a blank paragraph at the end of the document. So go scroll down. At the end of document, insert blank paragraph. So hit enter twice. So we have one blank paragraph. Okay, and then we will insert contents from a document. So that is in the home tab, right? Home tab, editing arrow. No, sorry, editing arrow, not this one. Insert, go to insert tab, and this one, object arrow, text from file. So navigate to your student data files folder, module 5, Word, review, select writers, then you will insert the contents of this file. Okay, this one. Alright, wait a minute, I'm supposed to put it in here. I'm supposed to put it in the last paragraph, last line. So make sure the cursor is blinking at the last line, and then object, arrow, text from file. So select writer. Select the writer. Okay. Okay. Add the text. Add the text contributing writers. Contributing writers. Okay. This should be a heading one style. So this should be a level 1 heading. So level 1 heading is heading 1 style. So why don't we apply home tab? Go to home tab, select heading 1 style. So heading 1. And then we can update. Okay, and then delete the. Okay, so let's delete this one. Delete the paragraph at the end. All right, and then table of contents should be updated. So look at this. We just created a heading 1 style, like a business partner. So heading 1 style. So we're supposed to have heading 1 style in this table of contents. So you can update this table of contents by right-clicking. Okay, right-click on the table of contents. Then you will see update field. So click update field. Then we want to update this entire table. So check update entire table and then OK. Can you see this one? So now once it's updated, this will add the heading 1 style that we just created. The contributing writers heading is inserted in this document, in this table of contents. Okay, at the end of the report, student name. At the end of the report, student name should be replaced by your name. Replace it with your name, and then save this document. Okay, save the changes to this document construction. So save it. Okay, save the file. All right. Now we're gonna save this file with into a template, Word template, so we can use this one again and again for maybe next time, right? So we can save a document as a template, Word template. So click File tab and then Save As in this PC. Okay, go to your student data files. Go to your working folder, and save as type. The file type should be template. So select Word template. Then the extension, the file extension name is .tx. Okay, so let's change the file name to construction report template. Okay, so this is a template file. Okay, so we just save this one into our working folder. Alright, so okay, open page 1, replace this with this. Okay, so let me close this. So let's see. Okay, from your working folder, okay, mine is homework. Okay, we just created this one, right? Document report theme. Okay, template. DOCX. Oh, where's my DOCX? Oh, DOCT. It should be a DOCT, but I think I copied in the wrong place. Let me check. Okay, the file is saved in here. It's in the documents. In this PC, documents, custom office templates. So our template file is stored here. So why don't we just copy this? Control C and then Control V. So we just copy this template into our working folder, and then double click this template. Double click it. Okay, so we have this one, and then okay, look at this document 1, right? Document 1. The file name is different, so we will save it later. Okay, and on page 1, replace construction. Okay, replace this with wait a second, I think we should have done a little bit differently. Okay, let's try this. Okay, this is okay, write down this one, replace this one, insert title here, and then highlight this with the yellow one. So make sure you don't include this paragraph mark with this yellow. Text highlight color is yellow. Okay, delete everything in the report after blank paragraph after table of contents. So remove everything here. Select everything. Okay, so select from here all the way down, and then delete. Hit the delete key or cut. Delete or cut doesn't matter. Okay, in the blank paragraph below the table of contents, below this one, we will insert contents from a file. So in the insert tab, click the insert tab, object arrow, text from file, and then from your student data files folder, okay, the file name is headings. Select headings, insert. Okay. So we inserted some information in here. Okay, in the contributing step, this one section, replace student name. Okay. Replace the student name with your name. Replace it with your name. And then update the table of contents. Since we have deleted all the headings and then inserted new headings, we can update the table of contents. Okay, right click on the table of contents, select update field. So we have project history, contributing, schedule, and scope, like this. Okay, save the template. Actually, this is not a template. Save it again with this one. Okay, save it as, okay, let's save this one as a template. Save it as a template because we should have used the previous one. Just change this one to template. Then it will the folder will be automatically changed to custom, documents, custom office template automatically. So select this one, select this because the file name is the same. File is the same, and then save. Replace existing file. I did a little bit differently from the original one because I already closed this one and then use this template, and then we update it. So we will just this as a template. The previous template is wrong, so this is the original template, an updated template actually. Okay, and then close it. So save it. Make sure you save it and then close. All right, from a new screen and from this one, open a new document based on the template you just created. Okay, so we will open it. So go to File tab, DOTX. So this is in the document folder, right? We just created. So open this. So we have this one, right? Okay. All right, and then enter projections for growth as the document title. Okay, so this is document title. So select this document title, and then make sure you don't select this paragraph, and then type projections for growth. Then save new document, save the file as this in the location specified. So We want to save this one as File tab, save as, go to your student data files folder. I'm sorry, not your working folder, and the file name is projections dot .dotx. Wait a minute, save this document as this. Okay, then save it. Okay, delete the original one. Okay. So what we do is delete the original one. So go to your this PC documents, custom office template. We will delete this one. Okay, we will delete this. Okay, and then open the document 5-4 and then save it as this. Okay. Okay, so we need to close this as well. Okay, now we want to open, so go to student data files folder, open accelerator address template. Sorry, 5-4. Open this, and then save this file as. Okay, save the file as. Go to File tab, save as. My PC, my working folder, and the file name, accelerator address template. Okay. Okay, this is a template, right? Template. I saved in a wrong file, so let me do it again. Save as my PC. Okay, I copied it into a wrong one. Okay, not this one. Where's my C drive? Okay, homework. Okay, the file, okay, save as type should be template. Sorry, it has to be template. Okay, template. And the file name is accelerator address template, and then click OK. So this file is saved in where? In the template folder, not your working folder. It's in the custom office template folder. Okay. The extension file name is .dotx. So we just created this file, right? Okay, now save the blue text area. So this is the blue text box. So why don't you click the boundary of this text box, boundary, and then quick part. Okay, we will save this one as a quick part. Okay, quick part is in all right, so go to the quick part. Okay, one moment. Okay, so make sure to click the boundary of this text box, and then in the insert tab, in the text group, here is an icon. This is a quick parts arrow icon. Quick parts. So click this quick parts, then you will see the last one. Save selection to quick part gallery. And the name, okay, the name is address. And then save it to the template named .dotx. Okay. So look at this. If you click this one, can you see this address? This is the quick part we just created. The name is address. So if you if you put a arrow key insertion point any place, and then you can just apply this to make a copy of this text box. Ctrl C. Right, and then save this template named accelerator address template. So this is the file. This is a template. So save this template. Okay, and then save the template and close it. Okay, so close it. So look at this. Okay, this one you don't have to save it. Don't save it. Don't save. All right, and then look at this. The custom office template has the template that we just created. So copy this file and then save it in your working folder. And then okay, we don't need this one, right? We accidentally created this docx. So remove accelerator address template.docx. Well, if you cannot see this extension file name, some students may not see this extension file name, then you can click the View tab. Click the View tab. Then you can select this file extension, okay, file name extension. So if this is not checked, then there's no file extension name here. So make sure you check this mark. Check this file name extensions, then you can see the file type like this. Okay, so we don't need this one, docx, so remove this file, delete it. So we have accelerator address template construction, the Word file, and then this construction report template file, theme, and this one. So these are the files that we created for this review assignment. Okay, so we are done for this.